I want to share the details on this handheld fan I got. Now I'm curious to see this one because I've bought a whole lot of small fans this year, and I'm trying to get a good idea of what each one can offer. So this is a 2-speed fan. It actually comes with a stand that you can put it in, which is pretty cool. And that stand has, it has a little, I wondered if it was sticky, but it's not. Just a little bit of a base on it that is going to help keep it from slipping around. It also comes with a charging cord, which is a type C on this end and a type A on the end that you're going to plug into either a brick or into a computer or whatever type of a device you use to power up and charge other things. Now, you're going to plug it in right here to charge it up. Speaking of battery, it takes about 2 to 3 hours to charge it, and it will last for 20 hours. So that is a long time for the battery to last. That being said, it's also partly because it's only a 2-speed, so it's not going to eat up a lot of power running it. So it's going to be really easy to use. There's just an on-off switch. There are 3 blades in this, and it's got a really quiet motor, which is pretty cool. So let me see, you're just going to turn it on, and it is moving air, but it is a really, the first speed does not move a lot of air, but it is moving air. And if you turn it up to the second one, it's actually moving a decent amount of air. Let me put it. Yeah, the second speed, it feels pretty good on my face. So that is good news on that. Now, I do love the fact that I can rest it in this stand here. So if I'm using it at my desktop or in my bedroom, on my nightstand, something like that, it gives a way to hold it up to direct the air without you having to hold it. So I'm glad that they offer that. So it's all made of plastic, and let's see what's down here. Looks like it comes with, no, it does not appear to come with a lanyard. So that's what your choice is, either holding it, I guess you could rest it like that, or like that. And it has just the 2 speeds. And let's see as far as the measurements on it. This is 6 inches from here to here. And this is 2.5 inches across right here. And from here to here, front to back, is 1.5 inches. The handle is 1.25 inch. So that gives you an idea as far as size-wise. And last thing, let's check the weight on it. All right. It's going to start out on on ounces, it is 3.6 ounces. So that is really, really light compared to some of the other ones that I checked out. And grams, 102 grams. Again, these are really, really light. And comparing them to some of the other ones that I have looked at today, it's extremely light. So it's a good one for pushing air if you don't need it to push a ton of air. This would be probably a really great one for a younger child, perhaps. I'm tickled with this. It's a good entry level, not super powerful fan. It's very quiet too.